So here, given another example sa tangent line to a curve. So, sabi dito, determine the equation of the tangent line to the curve, this one. Ito yung curve. Ito daw yung equation ng curve, which is parallel to this one. So, yung tangent line daw parallel dito. So, we know yung point slope formula, which is yan. We remember the y is equal to mx plus b. Sabi, yung m daw is yung slope. So here, sa equation natin, m is equal to negative 1/4. Yan yung slope ng parallel dun sa tangent line. But we have to find the y prime of the curve to know the equation of the tangent line. Yan. Ganun siya pag dinerivative from sa square root. Magiging kasing x raised to 1 half. Negative 1 half. Kaya pag dinerivative, ganyan yung lalabas. Exponential rule. So, yan. We can say na, di ba ito daw magbibigay ng equation ng tangent line or yung slope. So, pwede natin tong equate dito. Pwede natin ma-cancel yung negative sign. Tapos, we have to find the value of x. X cubed. So, kailangan natin tanggalin yung square root by squaring both sides. Equal to x cubed. So, now we have to take the cube root of both sides. So, yan na yung naging value ng x natin. Tapos, ibabalik natin siya dun sa equation ng y, which is this one. Cube root of 4. Or pwede natin daw may mga rules of exponents to. So, pwede siya maging 6 root or pwede mo ma-square root yung 4 tapos matitira na lang is cube root of 2. Yan na yung y natin. So, we know now the values of x and y. Yan yung values ng x and y natin. Yan yung point of tangency. Tapos, hahanapin na lang natin yung equation nung line na tangent doon. Ito, point of tangency pa lang itong P. ito yung naging final answer natin. Kasi, itong equation na to, it is the equation of tangent line. Which is, yan, dyan na base yon. A will represent the x of p and b will represent the y of p. So, y minus this, substitution na lang.